The Mars habitat is a proposed design for a human habitation on Mars. It was developed in response to NASA's 3D Printed Habitat Challenge, which was held in 2017. The Mars habitat is a two-phase construction project. In the first phase, an external shell made from local Martian regolith would be built in advance by autonomous robots. The shell would be designed to protect astronauts from radiation and dust storms. In the second phase, a series of inflatable pods would be constructed inside the shell. The pods would contain everything that the astronauts would need to live and work on Mars. Internet constellation operated by SpaceX, providing high-speed internet to people in rural and underserved areas. It consists of a network of thousands of small satellites orbiting Earth in a low Earth orbit LEO. This allows Starlink to provide faster speeds and lower latency than traditional satellite internet, which uses geostationary satellites that orbit Earth at a much higher altitude. Starlink satellites use a technique called beamforming to focus their signals on specific areas of Earth. This helps to reduce interference and increase the amount of data that can be transmitted. When a user requests data, it is sent to a Starlink satellite, which then relays it back to the user's device. The entire process takes only a few milliseconds, which is much faster than traditional satellite internet. 120 degrees. The HoloLens 2 uses a variety of sensors to track the user's head and hands, and it can also be used with an optional hand tracking controller. The headset has a number of built-in speakers and microphones, and it can also be used with Bluetooth headphones. The HoloLens 2 is a powerful tool that can be used to enhance and transform the way people work, learn, and play. Pilot wearable sensors are devices that are worn on the body to collect data about a person's physiology or activity. They are often used in healthcare settings to monitor patients, but they are also becoming increasingly popular for consumer use, such as for tracking fitness or sleep. Pilot wearable sensors typically use a variety of sensors, such as accelerometers, gyroscopes, heart. 5 feet 10 inches tall, 330-pound humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics. It is designed to be a versatile research platform that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as search and rescue, logistics, and disaster relief. Atlas is powered by a hydraulic system and has 28 degrees of freedom, which gives it a wide range of motion. It can walk, run, jump, and even climb stairs. Atlas also has hands that can manipulate objects, which makes it even more versatile. Atlas is a powerful and impressive robot, but it is still under development. Boston Dynamics is constantly working to improve Atlas's capabilities, and it is sure to become even more impressive in the future. Spin launch is a spaceflight technology at 50 miles per hour with a payload of up to 200 kilograms. Peak acceleration would be approximately 10,000 grams. If spin launch is successful, it could revolutionize the space industry by making it much cheaper and more efficient to launch satellites into orbit. This would open up new possibilities for space exploration and commercial applications. Boom-free supersonic flight is a new aviation technology that aims to eliminate the loud sonic boom that accompanies supersonic flight. Sonic booms are caused by shock waves that are created when an aircraft travels faster than the speed of sound. These shock waves can be very loud, reaching up to 120 decibels, and can cause significant noise pollution. NASA and Lockheed Martin are currently developing an experimental air. The Cyberdog 2 is an advanced quadruped robot developed by Xiaomi. It is designed to be a versatile and agile companion, capable of following commands, performing tricks, and assisting with tasks around the home. The Cyberdog 2 is powered by a powerful NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX AI supercomputer, which gives it the ability to learn and adapt to its surroundings. It is also equipped with a variety of sensors, including an RGB camera, a depth camera, and an ultrasonic sensor, which allow it to perceive its environment and navigate safely. The Cyberdog 2 can walk, run, and jump. The robot is controlled using a smartphone app, and it can also be programmed to perform specific tasks using Xiaomi's Python SDK. The Cyberdog 2 is still under development. Individual platforms that can rotate 180 degrees. This allows the seats to be easily stored under the stage or in a designated storage area when the flat floor is needed. The platforms can also be moved to create a variety of different seating configurations, such as cabaret-style seating or tiered seating for conferences. Rotation transformation seats are typically made of high-quality materials and are designed to be comfortable and durable. They are also easy to clean and maintain. Crew Dragon is a class of partially reusable spacecraft developed and manufactured by American aerospace manufacturer SpaceX. It is designed to transport up to 7 astronauts to and from low Earth orbit (LEO), including the International Space Station (ISS). Crew Dragon is also the IBM Quantum System 2 is a modular quantum computing system that was released in 2023. It is the successor to the IBM Quantum System 1, which was the world's first commercial quantum computer. The Quantum System 2 is designed to be more powerful and scalable than its predecessor, and it is intended to be a building block of future quantum-centric supercomputers. The Quantum System 2 is based on a modular architecture that allows for the addition of more qubits and processing power as needed. It also features a new type of quantum processor called the IBM Osprey, which has 433 qubits. The Osprey is the largest quantum processor that IBM has built to date. Are low-frequency bass waves, which have a longer wavelength and can travel farther through air. These waves can also create more pressure than high-frequency sound waves, which makes them more effective at disrupting the combustion process. Miroki is a social companion robot developed by Enchanted Tools, a French robotics company. The robot is designed to assist people in hospitals, airports, and other public spaces. Miroki has a friendly face and can move around on its own using a spherical base. The robot can also interact with people using speech and gestures. Miroki is still under development, but it has already been tested in several hospitals. The robot has been shown to be effective in reducing stress and anxiety in patients. Miroki has also been used to help patients communicate